So tonight, we're switching things up a bit and giving you the intense Grammy Roundup.
Yes, sir. Tonight, we'll take a look at the high points and the not so high points of the biggest nights in music.
It's all about fashion, the hits and misses, the performances, and of course, the drama.
So the intense night at the Grammys starts now. I don't think we've ever done a roundup like this before, but I am excited.
Me too. First up is fashion. I was going to save Cardi for last, but what did you think, Ash? What do you think her dress was trying to say?
Her dress was saying everything, girl. It was saying everything, girl. You look like her flowers were just bloom right in the morning and come right down on the red carpet to just put a ray of sunshine on everybody's face.
Yeah.
I loved the dress. I love the styling. I love that they took the inspiration from a picture that was from in the 90s. It's the same designer, the dress from that designer, and they just did it right back to the T
and revamp it and do it again.
Put on Cardi.
Okay.
It was good. It was so good. Great.
Okay.
Magnificent. I was a little shocked that Offset was there with her, and that kiss, it was quite interesting. Next up though, Jada Pinkett Smith. Twitter was not so nice to her. They said she looked like a wet chicken.
Yeah, I saw that, but I don't know about the dress. Too tough. Yeah, something wasn't too right. I think she never looked like no wet chicken. Did you think J-Lo needed the hat though?
Well, you know, J-Lo always come for stand out and for trash out, and you know, she always, you know, turn up the red carpet. I know the idea she was going for, but I really think the hat should have been left on the runway. I don't think she really needed it because we couldn't see her face, and you know, J-Lo's striking features, you know, that jawline, her face. So.
And figure.
Yeah, and her figure. But usually when she come out with the glowing face and the, you know, the angles and the smizing. But the hat, I think, took away from that edge, that J-Lo edge.
Now, our reggae Grammy nominees were also there. Etana was on the red carpet too in a fuchsia colored jumpsuit. Twitter went hard on her, like very hard. And Etana went hard right back.
She definitely did. She never hold back nothing.
Jesus.
I didn't expect it though, but I guess she wasn't happy about the comments. The host for E! News said Shaggy wore every chain he owned, but hey, listen, the man has a Grammy, and if he want to bust out every chain in a jewelry box, him can do it. He should wear every bracelet and every watch too.
Every ring.
Every ring, everything. If he did want to do it, he could have done it.
It's his second Grammy, so Shaggy said, "Oh man,
come out. Yes, listen, here are all my chains in all their glory."
Oh my God. So other memorable red carpet moments, the South Korean boy group BTS, Alicia Keys in that red dress, Kylie Jenner in that pink jumper where the sleeves became gloves. It was also very interesting, yeah? So Ash, if you were to go to the Grammys, what would you wear?
I don't know. I would take inspiration from Cardi B for sure.
Hey,
and then I'd mix in a little bit of, you know, my little Wheel of Creations vibe in there as well. Some little gems, maybe some wire work somewhere, you know. Bling bling, girl. We'll probably do like Shaggy too and wear all of my chain them.
Wear all our chain them.
But I don't know.
Add some rings.
Add some rings, girl.
As usual, Ash is very, very stylish. When we get back, we'll take a look at the night's performances. Intense at the Grammys. We'll be right back.